Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your business operations with QuickBooks detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current business operations to identify areas that need improvement. Determine specific goals you wish to achieve with QuickBooks, such as better financial tracking or improved invoicing processes. Visit the QuickBooks website and choose the version that best fits your business needs, such as QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. Create an account and complete the registration process by entering all required information. Once registered, initiate the setup process by entering your business details, including your legal business name, address, and tax information. Customize your settings by choosing the industry that best represents your business, which will tailor features to your needs. Import your existing data, including customer and vendor lists, by uploading CSV files to ensure continuity in operations. Set up your chart of accounts by categorizing income, expenses, and assets, which helps in organizing your financial data. Establish your products and services list, including pricing and descriptions, to streamline invoicing and sales tracking. Connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks for automatic transaction importing, making reconciliation easier. Configure payroll settings by entering employee details, pay rates, and deduction information if you have employees. Set up invoicing preferences by customizing templates to reflect your brand, adding your business logo and payment terms. Utilize reporting features to gain insights into your financial health, generating reports on profit and loss, cash flow, and inventory. Train your team on using QuickBooks efficiently, covering essential features and processes for smooth operation. Regularly back up your data to prevent loss and ensure a secure operation, particularly if using QuickBooks Desktop. Engage with QuickBooks support or community forums whenever you encounter challenges or have questions. Continuously evaluate and adjust your QuickBooks setup as your business evolves to maximize its potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.